Alright, in today's video we're going to walk you through how to fix a Samsung microwave that runs but isn't actually heating up your food. If you've noticed it's turning on, the light comes on, the timer counts down, but your food stays cold, don't worry. There are a few things you can check yourself before you need to call in a technician. First, check your power supply. Make sure the microwave is plugged directly into the wall, not into a surge protector or extension cord. Sometimes those don't supply enough power, and that can cause issues. Try plugging something else into the same outlet, like a lamp or phone charger, just to make sure the outlet's working properly. Also take a quick look at the microwave's power cord. If it looks damaged or worn out, that might be your problem right there. Next, check if the microwave is in demo mode. A lot of people don't realize that demo mode exists. It's what stores use to show off the buttons and features without actually cooking anything. To check this, press the Options or My Settings button and scroll through the menu until you see something that says Demo Mode. If it's turned on, switch it off. Not every model uses the same button layout, so if you can't find it, it's worth checking the user manual or doing a quick online search with your exact model number. Now let's talk about the door. Microwaves are built with safety in mind, so if the door isn't closing properly, it won't heat. Open the door and look around the edges. Is there anything stuck in the seal? Any gunk or leftover food that might be blocking it from closing? Wipe it down and then close it firmly until you hear that solid click. If the door feels loose or doesn't latch completely, that could definitely be stopping it from working right. Next, try testing the control panel. Press a few different buttons. Do they respond normally, or is the panel laggy or unresponsive? If things seem off, the panel might have a software glitch or minor electrical hiccup. That's where a reset can help. Unplug the microwave from the wall and let it sit for at least an hour, even overnight if you can. Then plug it back in and test it again. Sometimes this simple reset can bring it back to normal. And finally, if you've tried all of that and it's still not heating, you might be dealing with a more serious internal issue, like a bad magnetron or a blown fuse. At that point, it's best to reach out to Samsung support. They can guide you through a few more advanced steps or get you in touch with a technician. If your microwave's still under warranty, you might be able to get a free repair or replacement.